Okay, I want to talk about sibling selectors in CSS. Now, with these, we can target elements within the CSS by describing what other elements are around them. So if we think of the HTML as a tree structure or as a parent-child relationship, we have a body tag here, and it has two children, header and main. They are both one step down, one level down from the body tag. The header has two children, H1, H2. The main element has four children, H3, and then three paragraphs. So these four children, the H3 and the three paragraphs, they are siblings of each other. The H1 and the H2, they're siblings of each other. The header and the main, they are siblings of each other. We can do regular tag styles. We can say, all right, I want to style H1 elements. Simple enough. I can say I want to style H2 elements. But the sibling selectors allow us to get a little bit more specific. I can say I want to style H2 tags, but let's say this H3 tag was an H2 tag instead. Now, I don't want to apply these styles that I'm about to write to both of the H2 tags. I only want to write it to this one. So I'm going to say that I want to style H2 tags with the color orange, but only if the H2 tag has an H1 in front of it. And this would be the adjacent sibling selector. So by saying H1 plus H2, you can see this is the only orange text that I'm getting. The plus sign means style the H2, but only if it immediately follows an H1 tag. Let's come down and look at these paragraphs and do the same sort of thing. We can say, I want to style paragraphs that immediately follow an H2 tag. If I do that, only this first paragraph right here immediately follows an H2 tag. So I could say color red. There we are. This is obviously following after the H2 tag, and they are siblings. They are at the same level. If I said H2, or I want to style paragraphs that have other paragraphs as their siblings, or paragraphs that have an H2 as its sibling, so we use the general sibling selector like this. Now this is going to apply to all of them. So I'm just going to put a border down the left-hand edge here. Say border left, 10 pixels, solid, cornflower blue. There we are. So all three of them got this. Here, it immediately followed. That's what the plus sign meant. And here, the tilde character, this means as long as the H2 is a sibling, doesn't matter if it's immediately preceding, it's a sibling. So for the paragraphs themselves, if I did this as my selector, I'm saying style every paragraph that has a paragraph as its sibling. Okay, so we'll say font size to REM, boom. These guys right here have a paragraph as a sibling that precedes them. So it doesn't have to be just the one. Both of these guys are going to get it. If we had a paragraph up inside here, this one doesn't get this 2REM font size. This one doesn't have a paragraph, which is its sibling. So that's it. That's adjacent and general sibling selectors. You're targeting elements basically just because of what comes before them inside there, either immediately following or anywhere preceding them. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments down below. And as always, thanks for watching.